So, one thing Spirit has shown me that is very important with our work for those who are crystalline DNA activated souls, a lot of the time our work is to install new light grids. But first, the prerequisite for that work is to basically read the old timelines, allowing ourselves to go into the energetic layers that those historical timelines have deposited in the earth grid lines. Cultural deconstruction, sometimes it takes going into those areas and meeting those spirits of the land to learn of the history. That's when we can truly go into the light grid and truly install something new, something of a higher frequency. Light is information, and light is everything. So, in order for us to be able to rewrite these earth grid timelines, we really do have to have a focus on our own true light, but at the same time acknowledging the depth of the pain, of the suffering of the human spirit. That's when we can truly heal it. So I've also learned this in my healing work over the years, that holding the frequency, the vision, the knowing of this person's healing, but at the same time going into the layers of the pain to be able to acknowledge them so that we can make that shift. There's a quantum leap in that shift, but we must go into the depth of it first and feel into the lower frequencies so that we can go ahead and so we feel into those lower frequencies and introduce a new frequency, creating a new timeline, creating a brand new shift.